students, we saw that what is adaptation and how living things adapt to the surroundings. Now we have to see the different types of adaptations in our surrounding. There are different types of adaptations like aquatic adaptation, desert adaptation, so many. So the first thing we are going to see, that is aquatic adaptations. Now what is aquatic adaptation or what is aquatic? What is the word means that? The aquatic means the living organisms which live in the water. They are called aquatic living things or aquatic animals or the aquatic plants. So we have to see what is aquatic adaptations. For that I am going to ask you the first question. The simple question is, which organisms can survive in the water? Yes, you all can answer this thing, that water lily, lotus, varieties of fishes, snails, ducks, etc. are the living organisms which survive in the water. So, have you ever thought how is it possible for these organisms to live in the water? The fact is that these organisms have some unique features that help them to survive in a water. Now have a look at some aquatic plants like lotus, hydrilla, etc. Students, you can see lotus is float on water, whereas hydrilla submerged in the water. Both lives in the water, but both are having the different feature which help them to adapt to their surrounding. So now that for that things we have to see which aquatic plants can survive in the water and what features they are having to survive in the water. The first feature which they are having, that is plant parts covered by the wax layer. Means the parts of the plant is covered by the waxy substance so that the water cannot store in the parts of the plant. One more is presence of air spaces in the parts of the plant. Third one, small plants with flexible stem and ribbon-like leaves. Students, can you tell name of some aquatic animals? Yes, you can tell the names of aquatic animals, the animals which live in the water. That is a fish, frog, starfish, octopus, duck, shark and many more. So, now I will tell you special characteristic that which help them to live in the water. The shape of the most of the fishes we can able to see, it is like a boat. Means the shape of the fishes is like a boat which help them to swim in the water. This is the characteristic feature we are finding in the fish. Another, fishes have scales on the body. Next is frog respire through skin and fish respire by gills when they are present in the water. Duck is also the aquatic animal which lives in the water. Duck is having a oily substance on its body. And one more another feature which duck is having, the feet of the duck is webbed. So it is helpful for them to swim in the water. So we saw how plants and animals living in the water adapt to their surrounding. This was the adaptation in the water we saw.